Good morning, everyone. Today we'll talk about subtract from 13 and 14. Are you ready? Please, you will find your classwork page 339, 340, questions from 3 to 8, and the homework is on page 342, questions from 1 to 8. Let's start to talk about subtraction. What is subtraction? Subtraction is taking one number away from another. We will use the minus sign, which is the monster, the one likes to eat in its big mouth the numbers. Okay, it will take or takes away the number. Now I'll tell you a story about subtraction. Here is the daddy, the whole big number. I always start in subtraction with what? With my whole big number. My whole big number here is 12. Okay? Now, there is number is missing, a 7 is missing, or take away. The minus come and take it away. Now the daddy wants to know how many are left. Can you help us to find how many are left or how many are still there? Let's revise the subtraction magic words. What I can use with the minus sign, I can say missing, okay, lost. If I'm talking about something, I take it away, fly, eat. Now we can say go or went. And the two questions I will ask, how many are left and how many are still with me? Now the daddy went to the minus sign and asked it, please, I want to know how many are left. The minus sign said, okay, if you want to know how many are left, let the kids help you. Are you ready to help the daddy? Okay, I know you can do it with us. Please, to start subtraction, the minus say, if you count from the small number to the big number, you will know how many are left. Really? The daddy said, okay. Can you help us with this little secret? Don't tell anyone. Okay, what you will do? Yes, you will start by closing your fist and you will open your finger. One by one, we will count from 7 till 12. Ready? Let's count after 7. What comes after 7? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, how many fingers I have now? 5. So, I have 5 fingers. Okay, so it's 5. How many are left? Now, I want to see if you know what opposite of the minus sign. But let's start with something that you know. What is the opposite of fast? Excellent. Slow. What is the opposite of happy? Sad. Amazing. What is the opposite of big? Small. Now, do you know what is the opposite of the minus sign? Exactly, the plus sign. The sign that has two hands help us to put the numbers together. The plus sign can put the numbers together like 5 and 7. It puts them together to have what? 12, the daddy, the whole big number. So I'm gonna say part plus part equals whole sum. Who is the whole sum? The daddy. Okay, I will use this plus sign help me to check my answer. What that mean? The plus sign can let you check your answer in subtraction to be like a teacher. Okay, so you yourself gonna check the answer of subtraction. Please open page 339. How you write page 339? How you write number 339? You will say 339. Now, to subtract, like the first example, 14 minus 8, what you will do? Close your fist and count after 8. Can you count after 8? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers did you open? 6, exactly. Now, to check your answer, you'll put 6 and 8 together, okay? And you're gonna flip the minus sign into the plus sign. So 6 plus 8 equals 14, and you will get the daddy, the whole big number. Now, let's see on this example, 13 minus 4. What you will do? Close your fist and count after 4. Count after 4. 8, 9, after 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 9. Excellent. Now, to check your answer, you'll use the plus sign. You'll go from down to up. Okay. Flip the minus sign into plus sign and put the two small numbers together. You will say 9 plus 14 equals 13, the whole big number. Now, on page 340, how you write 340? Yes, excellent. How many hundred? How many hundreds do you have? 3 hundreds. How many tens? 40. 4 tens or 40. How many ones? 0. So it's 340. Can you subtract? They say subtract and then add to check your answer. You can use the 10 frame and counters to help. Okay, let's start with number 3. 14 minus 6. What you will do to find out how to subtract? Excellent. You will close your fist and count after 6. Ready? Let's start to count after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, how many fingers did you open? 8. You find the other son. Now, how you will be the teacher? How you know your work is correct or no? Excellent. You will add these two numbers, the two small parts together, and you will change the minus sign into plus sign. You will put them together. That means you will use the plus sign. Okay? So you will put 6 and 8 together. Circle 8 because it's the big number. Okay, like you are putting it inside your head. Now, put 6 on your fingers and count after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And you get the daddy again. They are happy family again. You will get the whole big number. Okay, so remember, always in subtraction, you always start with the whole big number, the daddy. To find out how to subtract, you will count from the small number to the big number. Okay, you will open your fist one by one, finger by finger. Now, to check your answer, you will put the two small numbers together, 6 and 8 together, equals 14. Let's see another example. It's 13 minus 7. What you will do? Again, what you will do to subtract? Yes, close your fist and start to count after the small number. Count after 7. Ready? Open one by one. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers did you open? 6. Excellent. You open 6 fingers. Okay. Now I want to know if your answer is correct or not. What you will do? Yes, you will take the two small numbers together, put them together. That means you will use the plus sign and flip the minus into plus sign. Okay? You will have 6 and 7. How many is 6 and 7? Circle the whole big number. Circle the big number. Okay? Circle the big number and count on the small number on your fingers. Put 6 on your finger. Count on after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The answer is 13. And now you get the whole big number, the daddy. Okay? Please, you can do the schoolwork now. Okay? If you need, repeat the video again. Listen to it again. And remember, we first subtract and then we'll check our answer. To subtract, you will count from the small number to the big number. How you will do it? You will close your fist and start to open it finger by finger, okay, until you reach the whole big number, until you reach the daddy. So your goal is to reach the daddy, okay? You count after the small number, like in this case 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, okay? So you open 6 fingers. Now, to check your answer, you will use the plus sign, where you will put the two small numbers together, like 6 and 7 together, and here you will get the daddy, the whole big number. Okay?